Hey guys, this is Garima from Idle Doodle. For this video, I am really excited. I have been obsessed with those paintings, the pouring techniques, and I don't know what do you call it. It's the fluid acrylic art, I guess. So before investing into all the material that is required for the artwork, I thought of testing a cheaper version. So I got these Camel fluid acrylic uh, kits. So they are really cheap. They just retail for 250 rupees. You can get them on Amazon, and these come in three variations. This one is monochrome shades, and I got this one, and then the second one that I got is this Aqua, and there's one more which comes in orange, yellow, sunset kind of vibe, but I did not buy that. I felt that two are enough to test out. So let's get started onto the video. Now each kit comes with a 8 by 8 canvas, 4 colors and an apron. I personally didn't feel the need to wear an apron for my clothes, so I used it for my table instead so that the table doesn't get dirty. And I am wearing gloves because I did not want my hands covered in paint. Now for this you will also need disposable cups for sure. I am going to take one disposable cup and start pouring colors from side one by one, as you can see. So the paint was not as fluid as I thought it should have been. So I decided to blow air. I'm sorry, you can see my head sometimes. I blowed air so that the paint could splatter across the canvas. You can also use a hairdryer for this purpose. For the second canvas, I poured all the colors one by one in a cup, and I just flipped the cup on the canvas. You can add paint of any color you want here and there as you would like, just like in the video. Here are the complete pieces. I'm going to give away both of these paintings. All you have to do is comment down below, subscribe to this channel and follow me on Instagram. I hope you liked this video. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Till then, take care everyone.